Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create a hidden shared folder in Windows 11. Right-click Folder, click Properties. Click Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Share name end with $symbol. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.